Hello, my name is Jose Anthony Hernandez. This is Unit 3, test problem number 5. We're going to convert 1.3 into a fraction. And so this is the ones place and this is the tens place value, right? So we're going to put 1 and 3 over 10. That's the tens place value. And the way we get from our mixed fraction to an improper fraction is we're going to pull this 1 and do 1 over 1 plus 3 over 10. And we need common denominators. So we multiply the 2 by 10. So we get 10 over 10 plus 3 over 10, which is 13 over 10. Or you can just go 10 times 1 is 10 plus 3. But this is the reason why you get the 13 over 10. And to convert it into a percentage, we need since it's already a power of 100, a power of 10, we can create into a percent, which is 100. So we do 13 times 10 and 10 times 10 because we get to get the 100. So we get 130 over 10, which is 130%. And the way we go back to a decimal form is do 100 divided by 130. And so I know it goes into it one time. I need to add a 0, so I put a decimal there. And then bring down the 0. 1 goes in 300. How many times? 3 times. And so we're back to our decimal form. Now, part 2 of this problem is 5 over 6, and we need to create this into a decimal form, right? So I did 5 divided by 6. And so I put a decimal there because 6 can't go into 5. So I added a 0. 6 goes into 50 8 times, so I get 48. And so I do my subtraction, I get 2. I have to add another 0, bring down the 0. 6 goes into 20 3 times. And guess what? It just keeps repeating and get 20 again. So I get n is equal to 0.83333. Now in order to convert it back to the fraction, I'm going to use 10n and put my decimal in the tens place value, 100n and put it in the hundreds place value. And you do your algebra. 100n minus 100n is equal to 83.33333 and so on. Minus, do some subtraction, so I get 90n, and it's 83 minus 8 because these cancel out is 75. So I put my make my fraction 75 over 90, and guess what? N is equal to 75 over 90. If you reduce it, you get 5/6.